This video is brought to you by my supporters on Patreon. Hi guys, so I'm here with a video showing you how I do my makeup for Vanellope, and I'm just going right into it. So first off, I start with my foundation layer or base layer, and I'm using e.l.f.'s Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Sand. To apply my foundation, I use a damp beauty sponge, and then once the foundation's on, I go in with some concealer under my eyes and just any other spot that I feel really needs it. After that's all done, I use a contour stick and apply that all over my face. Well, not all over, but you know, on the hollow of my cheeks, the sides and bridge of my nose, a little under my chin. And when it comes to the nose, I also do a line across the top of the bridge and some under it as well to make it look more button-like. Next, I'm taking this lighter peach color from this Too Faced Sugar Pop palette and applying that all over my eyes as a base. Eyelids, not eyes. But after that, I take the slightly darker shade and apply that on the outer half of my eyelids. Then I take the pink from that palette and apply it under my eyes and a little tiny bit in the very, very far outer corner as well, and I blend that out a ton. After that, I'm taking this Morphe palette and I'm taking this tan color and applying it into the crease of my eyelids. I'm mostly focusing on the outer corner and really blending that out. I'm not putting so much into the inner corner really, so I'm just kind of trying to darken that outer shadow. After that, I take some eyeliner. This is NYX Liquid Liner, and I just align my eyes the way I normally do. Or I guess not normally, sometimes I do a bigger wing than this, but for her, I stuck to a smaller wing. After that, I took some black eyebrows and I filled in my brows like I normally would. She's got some thicker brows, so filling them in the way I normally do worked out perfectly. Next, I'm taking this blush from Bare Minerals and a big fluffy brush and applying blush to most of my face, really. Let's be honest here, because she has a lot of it. So I'm applying it across the entire apple area of my cheek all the way to like the outer edge and then on my nose as well, and I'm making it pretty dark because I need it to show up in different lighting and on camera, and she has some really rosy cheeks and a really red nose. When applying it on my nose, I mostly just focus on the tips. I'm not really putting it on the side. Once that's out of the way, I put some glue onto these false lashes, but then set them aside to let that get tacky. While that's getting tacky, I decide to work on my lips, and I've got to change the shape of my lips for her because she has a rounded upper lip, and I have one with a very defined cupid's bow, so I use a lip liner to fill that in. I mattify it with a little bit of a finishing powder and then apply some matte gloss on top of it. I'm keeping all the colors nude for this, and the gloss is from Too Faced. Now the lashes are ready and I glue those on and stick those into place. These lashes are Crazed from Flutter Lashes. And to finish off this look, I'm applying mascara to the top and bottom lashes. And that finishes up this look. Hopefully you guys like how it turns out, found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see photos of this costume, it's on my Instagram. Have a lovely day. Bye.